Look at that. Look at that. Is that look so good?
Hey y'all, it's tea time
With CJ and Corey. Feeling the hot tea this time.
It's feeling some hot tea this time. Today we are sharing 4 different hot sauces from Tannenbaums. We are going to be trying them right here with you guys. Guys, these are botanical hot sauce. All of them are vegan, all natural, gluten-free. So let's get into it. And the flavor sounds amazing. And we have a little chicken salad here that we can try them with. And we also have some spoons.
Oh, you remember? What's that? A chicken salad. What's with?
I put some blue cheese crumbles on some of these, and I did that because I was thinking that the blueberry, sumac, and cinnamon might taste good with the chicken and the blue cheese. And disclaimer, Corey we know that she eats spicy stuff. She likes spicy food, so this is not new to her.
That's
Okay. Corey is trying the red pepper lemon peel. I guess I'll try the same one as you.
So you really know it's like hot pepper because it's kind of like red.
Yeah, it's super red.
It's like super red.
Oh, that smells
You
good
see
though.
it?
I'm gonna try a little.
Wait, can I smell it?
Ooh. Okay, wait. That's really spicy.
Which one?
I think you should just do a little dip on your finger. Good, baby. I love a good hot sauce. That one was hot.
Yes.
Corey might be done with the taste test. Ooh, that looks good. Look at that. I'm gonna put a little of that blueberry hot sauce on here with the chicken salad and the blue cheese. Let's try that.
Can I smell?
Oh, that's good.
Some of the blueberry one?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's kind of sweet.
Mm-hmm. The sweetness, the saltiness with the cheese.
The blueberry
Okay,
one
I gotta
is
do
my
that
favorite.
again.
I think the blueberry one is my favorite.
Okay, this blueberry. Whoa, with the blue cheese too. Y'all have got to try this. I'm gonna get a little dip of the ghost pepper. This is the ghost pepper. This is noticeably hotter. I just put the little, I'm gonna stick with this blueberry.
Blueberry head. Guys, this looks spicy and sweet, and all together it's gonna taste good, because Mommy said so.
No, don't blame me if it's too hot for you.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna try.
Oh, that cherry. Hold on now. It's
Okay.
the fruit ones.
Okay, guys, we'll try. But this is good too.
The blueberry is good with everything mixed together. It cools down the spice a little, but it's good for you.
If you have a cold, this one will help your nose.
Yeah, the red pepper one, right? My favorite two are these two with the fruit. This cherry and this blueberry. Oh, y'all better see some more recipes with this on it. Thanks, Tannenbaums.
Guys, I'm trying the cherry one.
Look at that delicious bite.